Hello everyone, I'm doing a vlog and today I'm having very special friends over. Robin's coming of course, and then my friends from Manenberg, they coming, and I'm gonna have a nice treat for them. They all are, hoe kan ek nou sê, soetbekkies. They love sweet things. So I've done a little table and we're going to play a little game, and I thought I'd just record it and do a nice vlog of our day, and hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, here's the table, and I've just put some fruit, sweetie pies, chippies, cupcakes down the center. And the food will be eaten later, and we're going to play some games and enjoy ourselves. Looky. There we go, ready for the guests. Okay, so now we're also going to play a game where we draw names, and the gifts are hidden in the kitchen. And all the drawers that has a ribbon on it, you pick a drawer that you want to open, and in there is your gift. Like for instance, this drawer. And if you open it, you pick it, and then you get chocolates. Then there's another drawer. I must still put a ribbon on. If you open it, then you get a big box of assorted biscuits. How you like that? How you like that? Okay, I must still cut this one speck. And there's the other gifts. They don't know about these gifts here. What's in here? This is the other gift. And then the other gift is a 100 rand, 100 rand. No? I'll show you. Did I miss any? Okay, this gift, packet of sweets, and then there's a drawer here, another packet of sweets, and that's just the gifts. We're going to have for dessert cones with ice cream. Yep, rum and raisin ice cream, it's their favorite. And then I bought 3 milk tarts. I didn't make any dessert. I was going to, but I ran out of time, so I just ordered this. But we're not going to cut it up. They're going to take it home and cut it up for their kids or their friends or their neighbors, whatever they like. Sunny, say hello to the people. He's saying, hello everyone. No, that's how I say it. Sunny, say the way you say it. Woof, woof. Aww. He wants his treat. There we go. Hey, Shani boy. Shani. He loves his treats. And the sun came out. Obviously, I did washing. Sun is showing off. Look at that beautiful bird. The orange tummy. Look at this weather. So beautiful. Just blue skies. Watching Manchester United commentary.
Are you alright to speak, mate? No? Right. Give me 1 minute, mate. I was going to say, the thing with Manchester United at the...
Ai man, moenie Ellie Christine. Het julle so gemis. Melvin, kyk hier grys. Kyk julle 2 jaar laas gesit. Jerome, Lekker man. Robin is op pad. En waar is die dames? Okay guys, yeah, I've put the food on the table. We've got some rolls, sponge pig, fish and chips, calamari, and some chicken, fried chicken. And the salads is on the other side.
Anybody for the seafood?
Yes. Okay.
I'm going to serve and turf now, yo. It's a mixture of chicken and seafood. Oh, it's good protein. Oh, Fatima,
Say hello to your fans.
I do have fans. Hello, you guys. You missed me. I missed you.
Everyone got their gifts. Do you love it?
I love it. My favorite.
I'm so loving it.
Two my favorite chocolates.
These are a few of my
Favorite things.
Favorite chocolates. Heaven.
Nou soos reg vir Dominoes. Nou gaan ons
Ik
Dominoes.
wil niet bus krijgen.
Die uit band daar sit onder die
Hij bus, hij double sis. Hij noemt het maar die bus. Bus. Hij bus moet van mij niet mis.
Nou jy gaan nou eers toe die double 6 kry.
Nee, nou kan je zien de hakken zelf van mij al klaar. In promenade.
by trekking fish
Dat is wat they call walk along the sea.
Okay.
That we must call a pavement and the sidewalk. You get a promenade or pavilion is usually it's usually a road or a walkway. Hello. You think they take nice photos? What's the make of this phone? How?
Okay guys, that was our day together. We're not done. We're finishing it off with some nice Dominoes in the garden. Say bye vir die mense. Au revoir. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Bye.
Yeah, I clock.